Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we will be opening this package. So, I know what I ordered, but I can't wait to see what it is. So, let's get straight into the video. Today's package is from the Sugar Shack LLC by Basically Blessed Live Chats with Risa. I'll have her link in the description below. All right, it came with a cute, my favorite color, pink package, and it has please handle with care and everything fragile, so they can know that this was some fragile pieces inside. Okay, first it says jewelry care. Keep away from moisture. Take off jewelry when showering, sleeping, or exercising. When not in use, store your pieces in a jewelry bag or box, or use tarnished tabs. Sugar Shack, originally handcrafted pieces by Risa. Thank you for your purchase and supporting the Sugar Shack. Yes, and it has her email address. Ooh, look what we have. Y'all, it is some stackable braces, and I am so excited to receive them. Oh, wait. Look how beautiful she is. Sugar Shack, originally handcrafted pieces by Risa, where we add a little southern sugar to all we do. Email RESARICH6@gmail.com. That's her beautiful card. Ooh, now this was a bonus. I got a pen. It says Nail Boss. Yes, thank you, Risa. And yo, this is what I ordered. I am so excited and I could not wait to receive them. They are the stackable braces. The first one says Nail Boss. And it's white pearls with the gold and silver. I love it. It's so cute. Look at this one. It says RX. And we all know that's abbreviated for prescription. RX for the Rxnails, prescription nails. Yes. Y'all know what that mean, right? That mean I'm the plug. I am the nail plug, okay? Coins, because why? I makes my coins, okay? This says eat, sleep, nails, repeats. Okay, Risa girl. Okay, Sugar Shack. And this one says handmade, love, and queen. Let's put these pieces on. With stackables, you can wear them single or with all. I like to wear my stackables all stacked up, okay? You like these? I love them. And I can't wait to clink, wear them. So, shout out to the Sugar Shack. I love my stackables. Hey guys, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and if you feel it in your heart, share me out. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.